बुलाए तो क्या करूं? हाँ, उसके आगे तो स्टारडस्ट में मुझे मेरा पहला अवार्ड मिला था। स्टारडस्ट में मुझे मेरा पहला अवार्ड मिला था। तो आई वांट टू सी हु विंस एंड आई होप the best newcomer wins because it takes a lot to be an actor and it's not easy. Yeah.
Are you still doing circus or have you opted out the film?
Sorry?
Said you're not doing circus.
The script is they're still writing the script, so it's too early for me to take this call. You know.
Okay, but have
Yeah.
you signed for the film?
No, not yet. I haven't heard the film yet. Yeah.
New Year plans and Salman's birthday is coming up.
Yes.
So what are your plans?
New Year plans. I think I'm gonna have dinner with my sister, but I don't know if Salman is celebrating his birthday. Yeah. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if he is.
All this much, have you been approached by Farooq Kabir for a romantic film? Is it?
Yes, we're in talks with something very nice. But let's see. You know, I still haven't signed the film, so I don't know. Thank you. Thank you. Sorry for leaving.
Honestly, it's my first award function that I'm attending in Bollywood. So I'm actually very nervous because I haven't been here on this platform before, but I'm very, very excited. It's something that I've grown up watching. I'm an ardent TV watcher, and normally New Year's pe chalte the ye sare shows. So I remember bringing in many New Year's, watching a lot of award functions. I feel very honored that I'm a part of it. I'm currently shooting for Atiti in London. We're done with about 80% of the shoot. And yeah, we start the next year in January. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks so much.
ऑफ कोर्स बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ. इनफैक्ट डीमोनेटाइजेशन की वजह से भी आई थिंक फिल्म इज स्टिल डूइंग वेल. इट हैज़ रिकवर्ड इट्स प्रिंसिपल अमाउंट एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट lot of people have also liked it, and there are liking, there are people who've not liked it, but I think every film has a mixed review. और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि लोगों को जो थ्रिलर है उसका जो थ्रिल पार्ट है वो बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. पीपल आर अप्रिशिएटिंग माई वर्क एंड फॉर मी देयर इज़ नथिंग मोर एक्साइटिंग दैन दिस. एंड डेफिनेटली आगे के प्रोजेक्ट के लिए मेहनत तो करनी ही है, और सो आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू बी पार्ट ऑफ मोर फिल्म्स एंड डू बेटर वर्क दैट आई कैन. Well, plans he's gonna make. We're just gonna go and have fun. So yeah. बहुत सारे कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स मिले. आई थिंक सबसे ज़्यादा कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स तो मुझे लड़कियों से मिले, विच आई वॉज वेरी सरप्राइज. आई थॉट गाइज वुड बी गोइंग गागा ओवर मी, बट आई थिंक गर्ल्स हैव बिकम लॉट ऑफ गर्ल क्रश नाउ डेज फॉर लॉट ऑफ गर्ल्स. सो आई थिंक दैट रियली फील्स नाइस. एंड आई थिंक आजकल जो गर्ल्स एक दूसरे को अपलिफ्ट कर रही है, इट्स अ वेरी डिफरेंट थिंग, बट इट्स वेरी नाइस एंड इट्स वेरी एक्सेप्टेबल. एंड आई होप लाइक दैट यू नो गर्ल्स लर्न समथिंग एंड जस्ट कीप अपलिफ्टिंग पीपल rather than pulling them down. So you just feel good when girls compliment you, you know. Hi, this is Sana Khan. I want to wish everyone a very happy new year. Thank you.
Hi, good evening, everyone. Good evening.
You've been a part of many awards. How significant are awards in your life?
You see, what I love in award is a thrill, the excitement of new people, new talent coming out, making such a wonderful films, doing a wonderful job. When they get award, I'm reminded of my younger age, and I really come here to bless them. I enjoy them. This is more of a festival and a festivity of the film fraternity, and I really love it. There should be more award, and newcomer must win. Maximum new talent must come. You know, I'm in a running university, practically a college, and creating filmmakers in the films. So now I'm definitely going to produce few movies next year, and I will announce very soon. There is only two things. One is a Nayak, one is a Khalnayak. And the Nayak returns and the Khalnayak returns. And when the Nayak returns, what happens to the Khalnayak returns? When they return, they clash. And what happens, the clash, that is the future. Thank you.
I know it's pictures. Where is that? This is right next to it. Actually, put it on the yellow and black markers.
Namaste, how are you? Dad. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. I think let him speak about it.
I'm very proud to announce that, within a month, this year will be over, this month, in a few days. And next year, early next year, Neil loses his bachelorhood. Neil is getting married in February sometime. I'm extremely proud and very blessed, feeling very thrilled. We welcome Rukmini to our family very lovingly.
You think I am? No, not at all. I'm extremely happy. This is something I left to my parents to decide many years back. And I'm really happy that they found Rukmini. And I'm looking forward to it. It's something exciting. And yeah, I mean, I wasn't prepared for it, but it's happening. Yeah.
Are you also playing Sanjay Gandhi in Hindu Sanjay?
I am doing an extremely important character, and without any speculation, I will very soon announce what character it is. Thanks. Thank you.
How are you guys? Good?
Sorry.
Hi guys.
2016 मतलब आपने सबको चौंका दिया कि मतलब भारत का नाम रोशन किया हुआ है कि बट साल खत्म होने को सरप्राइज दे दिया आपने यहाँ पर
I know ना, सब शॉक हो गए कि ये मैं कहाँ से आ गई. Actually I landed yesterday और आज मैंने कॉफ़ी विद करण की भी शूटिंग की और स्टारडस्ट अवार्ड्स भी थे, so I had to come. परिणीति एक मेरे लिए सरप्राइज ट्रिब्यूट दे रही है, so I wanted to come and see that. And मैंने इंडियन रेड कार्पेट्स इतने सालों से, इतने दिनों से नहीं किए. मुझे लग रहा है कि मैं बड़ी एक्साइटेड थी इंडियन कपड़े पहन के एक रेड कार्पेट में आने के लिए. पता करो, देखना. It's for me to know and you to find out. हमने ग्लोबल प्लान बनाया है, which India is a big part of that. तो आएंगे, मतलब मेरा मतलब.
We loved you in Baywatch, but we wanted to see more of it. That is the entire. That is what the people on social media are saying. So
Absolutely.
What do you have to say about it? Because we were taken aback seeing only that 1 second shot.
The film releases in May, and we are in November, December when the trailer released. So keep watching. There's a lot more coming up. Is all I'll say. Absolutely, but I think what is very important to remember about the Nirbhaya rape case is to not forget what happened and to continue the conversation which people forget about, and I think that's very important. जी हाँ, मैं 2 फिल्में करने वाली हूँ अगले साल, क्योंकि क्वांटिको सीज़न 2 और 3 के बीच में। अब वो कौन सी होंगी वो डिसाइड करने आई हूँ यहाँ पे, और जनवरी में I'll decide by January I should know. मैं काम कर रही हूँ रोज़. I'm working till the 29th. रोज़ शूटिंग.
इंडिया में आने सबसे पहले आप आई तो क्या ये चीज़ करनी है आप इंडिया में?
मैंने अपनी खिड़कियाँ खोली और बॉम्बे की खुशबू को अंदर लिया. सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी था. Thanks guys.
Also, very importantly,
Yes.
reports say that in IMDb ratings, he has left behind a host of legendary actors like Leonardo DiCaprio and Emma Watson behind. How privileged do you feel when you see these accolades coming your way?
I don't feel privileged, but I feel very proud. I feel very excited, and I'm thankful to people who have looked for me and wanted to know about me and are curious about me. I think Indian talent deserves to be on the top 10 of the list, actually, and I'm really glad that I've been able to reach that position, and I hope other actors do too.
But wouldn't you say you're having the last laugh there, given the fact that when you started out in America, life was not very easy for you there? People used
But when I started out in India, Bombay, life wasn't easy either. Whenever you start off anywhere, even if it was in the movie industry for me in the beginning, life is never easy. You have to work really hard to come to a position where people learn and respect you. So I'm not someone who's like, ha ha, abhi dekha. I don't do that. I'm just really happy.
the fact that you're the torchbearer for Indians in Hollywood abroad, because you're the one who has actually made new successful transition.
Well, I'm very proud of it. I've worked very hard for it, and I've stood my ground. मैंने अपने टर्म्स पे किया है जो किया है, मैंने कभी कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ नहीं किया. So I think I'm really happy I've achieved what I did, and I hope that there's so much talent that we have here, other people also get that recognition and acceptance.
You see men making it big there because no one has ever.
Try नहीं करता कोई.
क्यों नहीं करते?
हिम्मत चाहिए.
कॉफी विद करण कैसा था? कॉफी विद करण के
Come on guys, let me go inside.
बताइए ना, मिलती नहीं है.
It was really nice. Coffee with Karan बहुत interesting था. अभी क्या हुआ, कैसे हुआ,
जैसे हमेशा होते हैं उनके शोज पर कुछ.
मेरे साथ कोई कोशिश कर सकता है. Anything else? जाओ. सुमित तो एकदम चुप है, जैसे पता नहीं क्या हो गया उन्हें. बस घूरे जा रहे हैं. मुझे लगता है कि आर्ट जो है वो दुनिया भर जाना चाहिए, एंड आई थिंक आई हैव ऑलवेज बीन समवन हु बिलीव दैट, सो आई एम ग्लैड अबाउट इट. बस जाओ. थैंक यू.
क्या कहना चाहिए आज की शाम स्टारडस्ट अवार्ड्स आप यहाँ पे सबसे पहले गेस्ट है आज
अच्छा, सबसे पहले गेस्ट है.
हमारे मीडिया से.
Well, I'm excited because I've been nominated for the first time as an actor for Kapoor and Sons. So let's see how it goes.
कैसा रहा ये साल आपके लिए सर, अगर आप देखें?
मेरे लिए personally, a little slow, but I'm still waiting for a good script to come my way. 2017 is going to be wonderful. गजब का साल होने वाला है. There's a film called Mantra which we have finished and which is ready. That should come out, and I'm going to start making my new film in 2017. So a lot of good stuff. Thank you very much. Thank you.
I'm very excited about the nominees. I think they are very good nominees. I was there for screen also. I think almost the same nominees, but very good. But definitely awards are always appreciating and always satisfying for your hard work, and as a producer getting a national award is such an honor, and I'm trying to do things which could satisfy me as a creative. अभी पता चलेगा, बहुत सारे नॉमिनीज हैं, अवार्ड दे लूँ फिर बता सकती हूँ. दोनों ही बहुत अच्छे हैं. आई थिंक आलिया एंड नीरजा both are very good, so let's see. I have no clue of this. Huh? Huh, sir. Well, for me, the country comes the first, always. So anything which disturbs my country, I would not favor that. Thank you. Yes, what was your question? You want the question? मैं plays ही plays कर रही हूँ, और I'm producing acting now for my next Hindi film, which is Ladakh. It's a martial arts film, which I've already told, and I'm preparing for it right now. Thank you.
Good evening, good evening. Good evening, all of you. You know, as you know, I've been nominated tonight in the role of Best Actor in a Negative Role for my role in Mohenjo-daro. I'm very glad to be nominated in this category, especially by Stardust, because I was there when Stardust was born, when Nari Hira thought of it, when a lady called Shobha Rajadhyaksha became the editor, the first editor, and she's now Shobha Day. So it's a long history I have with Stardust, and I'm very grateful to be nominated in this role, in this category of Best Actor in a Negative Role, and may the best man win. Thank you.
Okay, yeah.
आपकी फिल्म नॉमिनेटेड हुई है नीलकंठ संगाता, तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप? कितने एक्साइटेड हैं आप आज की शाम को लेकर, और आपकी फिल्म नॉमिनेटेड हुई है, व्हाट डू यू से?
सो स्वरा हैज़ बीन नॉमिनेटेड, मैं नॉमिनेट हुई हूँ, फिल्म नॉमिनेट हुई है, तो अच्छी बात है कि ऑडियंसेस को एक अच्छी फिल्म अच्छी लग रही है. टू मच ऑडियंस को एक अच्छी फिल्म अच्छी लग रही है, तो ठीक है. मैं अभी बरेली की बर्फ़ी मैंने ख़त्म किया हुआ है, तो वो रिलीज़ होगा 21 जुलाई को टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया, जंगली पिक्चर्स और BR फिल्म्स के साथ. आयुष्मान खुराना, कृति सनोन, राजकुमार है उसमें. थैंक यू.
I need both of you to
Once again, I want to say something. First of all, I want to apologize to all the media people for my birthday. I think काफी chaos. I want to apologize to all of you guys for my birthday. Whatever happened on the 2nd of December, I'm really sorry about that. क्योंकि कुछ भी ऐसा प्लान नहीं था और अंदर मीडिया को मैंने बहुत कोशिश की कि अंदर मीडिया जाए लेकिन अंदर आने नहीं दिया और मैं क्यों नहीं चाहूँगी कि मीडिया वाले अंदर ना हो. हर सेलिब्रिटी या हर आर्टिस्ट चाहता है कि उसकी फ़ोटोग्राफ पेपर पे आए और आई एम फीलिंग वेरी वेरी बैड and I'm pretty saddened with whatever happened and I'm apologizing with closed hands. No, but you know, many people are upset with me, I think especially the photographers. So I would like to apologize to all the photographers especially. I think they are pretty sad and upset with me. It is genuinely not my fault. First I would like to ask, have you guys forgiven me? No, I know, but I need to apologize. Yeah, I'll do that. Because sometimes, you know, misunderstandings happen and as a human being, as a good person, I thought I should come myself and do that on my own before you guys ask for it. Yeah, thank you. Well, I'm styled by Surbhi Gupta and as far as the evening is concerned, it's Stardust, the biggest awards of the year, and I'm looking forward to the evening and I loved Neerja this year, so I hope Neerja wins. It's been nominated and looking forward to Jacqueline Fernandez's performance and celebrating films tonight. Well, I'm shooting with Girish Malik at the moment. The film is called Band of Maharaja and it's been produced by Wave Cinema, so shooting for that currently. Thank you so much.
Hi, how's everybody? My plans are I have 2 films in the pipeline. I'm very excited about my film M Cream, which is on Netflix now. Dear Zindagi is still in the theatre. It's doing very well. So I'm loving the appreciation. People are sending in lots of good wishes and love. So I'm really excited. Actually, it's the first time I'm here at the Stardust and Sansui Stardust Awards. So I'm super excited. There's so many of my friends who are nominated, so many talented people. I mean, it's anybody's guess. So I'm very excited to hear the results. Sonam is nominated, Alia is nominated. So I'm praying and wishing them all the best, and a huge, huge congratulations to all the nominees. It's very well deserved. Thank you.
This is my segment. What are your expectations from this award ceremony, and how many awards will you be taking back home tonight?
I have no expectations, man. I'm here to enjoy. It's a nice place and good vibes there.
A lot of songs have been blockbusters. Almost each and every song that you sing is a blockbuster. So which has been your personal favorite in this year?
This year, I think Channa Mere I really liked. This year.
दो लाइन गा सकते हैं कैमरा के लिए?
Sir, please, man.
अरिजीत आपने इस साल में मतलब धमाका मचा दिया है गानों में, लेकिन कोई साल खत्म होने को है, अगले साल को किस तरीके से देखते हैं, कितने ब्लॉकबस्टर्स और देने वाले हैं?
मैं नहीं देता हूँ ब्लॉकबस्टर्स, वो सब दूसरे लोगों के कॉल्स होते हैं. डायरेक्टर्स इन्वॉल्व, म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर्स आर इन्वॉल्व. मेरी कोई प्लानिंग नहीं है. मैं तो फ्लो में चलता हूँ. देखते हैं क्या होता है. कहाँ पे देखूँ? ये तो बहुत अच्छी बात है. वहाँ के लोग भी देख पाएंगे तो अच्छी बात है. एक्चुअली सबके लिए अच्छा है. हाँ क्रिसमस प्लान केक खाऊंगा और कुछ करूँगा. हाँ मैं मिस कर दूंगा मेरा सेगमेंट यार. प्लीज हो गया है शुरू. हाँ सलमान खान को क्या करना है? हाँ हैप्पी बर्थडे सलमान सर. मैंने अभी तक आपको किसने बताया ऐसा कुछ? नहीं
I'm just here to have a lot of fun. This is essentially my first award function that I'm attending. I'm attending with a very dear friend of mine, Ashley Rebello, who is again nominated tonight. So I will be cheering for him and just here to experience it and enjoy it.
We also saw an Instagram post where Ashley said that perhaps you would be in double three with Salman. What are the talks like?
I can't say much about that, but you know, if dreams come true, then maybe.
So you would like to work with him?
100%. No, actually, 1000%. Thank you.
excited. I think this is I would say this is my first award function which I'm attending. And last year I was down with fracture. So this is my first award function and I'm very happily dressed and well, I'm doing a South movie, a Telugu movie, and I'm doing a web series. Thank you. क्या सवाल पूछना चाहेंगे? आज शाम को मयूर गिरोत्रा जो डिज़ाइनर है उन्होंने मुझे स्टाइल किया है। ये उनका इंस्पिरेशन है जैसे मैं आज लग रही हूँ। I think any person in the film industry is a part of any award because when you're here, you're supporting all the people that are participating in it. You're supporting all the winners, and that's basically it. I don't have a film in Marathi right now that's coming out. No. मैं थोड़ा बहुत देख रही हूँ। मैं कहना चाहूँगी कि मेरा कोई अभी तक ऐसे ज़्यादा फेवरेट नहीं है, बट मुझे लोपा की ऑनेस्टी काफ़ी अच्छी लग रही है। शी इज़ अ लिटिल स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड है लड़की। अभी मैं इतना भी क्लियरली नहीं देख रही हूँ कि मैं कोई बोलूँ कि मैं चाहती हूँ कि ये इंसान जीते। आई थिंक जो भी सबसे अच्छा करेगा वो जीतेगा। थैंक यू। I plan to be in Bombay for the New Year. I plan to enjoy my New Year with all the Mumbaikars here. I'd like to wish all the viewers a very happy New Year.
Thank you.
What are you looking forward to at this award ceremony? What is going to be the most attractive?
I'm just, I think I'm looking for a good time, you know, entertaining myself and just enjoying the night, that's it.
Right. Salman's birthday is coming up. The entire industry is as excited. What are your plans this time around, and any surprise gifts that you're planning?
I don't think that he's a person who would, you know, like a gift or something. In my way, I donate a small amount to Being Human, and that's my way of gifting him something on his birthday.
On the professional front, what are the films lined up into this series?
I'm shooting for Ram Ratan right now, and then next year I'm starting a new film which I'm very excited about. Yes. It's a rom-com. Yeah. No, I'm not. I'm not performing. This year I've made sure that I want to spend some time with my family, my nephews. So yeah. Of course, yes. Wishing all the viewers a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Are we done? Thanks.
बड़ा अजीब सा सवाल पूछा यार, मतलब मैं आया हूँ इसका मतलब है कि मायने रखते हैं। रिकग्निशन आपके काम का रिकग्निशन होता है, वो आपको अच्छा लगता है और आप यू नो इट्स ऑलवेज ऑनर टू बी नॉमिनेटेड। Kangna is a fantastic artist, wonderful actor. I mean, we had a great time.
After winning multiple national awards, how is she evolved as an actress?
She is a very very fine actress. I mean, in addition to being a star, so वो क्या है, सोने पे सुहागा है कि a really wonderful actress and a very big star. And I mean, she is truly a collaborator. She collaborates really closely on the film.
Sir, one of the issues which has again cropped up on front is something that you have also been very active about. Censor board CTFC with Neelani taking a stand which is very contrary in case of Basic Rain and cutting the scenes of other deserving films. What is your take on this entire issue?
Nothing यार, ये खत्म नहीं होगा. मतलब what is the point complaining when you know nothing is going to change? That's what I'm saying. What is the point complaining when nothing is going to change? I think we have to find our way through this.
But were you also surprised when Basic Rain got passed without any cuts?
No, why should you be surprised? I mean, now it's become a joke now. If Rajkumar has said it, it must be true, no? Yes. Thank you. बोलो. I have always felt that culture should be left alone in this dispute. This is the only hope. Culture is the only hope there is for any kind of peace between the two countries. The politicians have messed it up anyway. Yeah, it's a positive step. I am hoping, and वैसे भी banning films is not going to stop people from watching them.
Very excited. It's Stardust, so I think it's going to be a lot of fun, and it's going to be super commercial and super full of masala. So very excited. Oh, actually the getup is for something I'm working on right now. In 20 days you'll have an announcement. In 20 days you'll know. Right now I can't talk about it, but it's with a very, very esteemed filmmaker, and he's made some amazing films. So I'm working on a project with him, and this is for his work. Thank you. Thank you.
हाँ जी, मेरे लिए पहली बार है नॉमिनेट हुआ मैं. मैंने साउथ में थोड़ा बहुत काम किया, बट नॉमिनेशन कभी नहीं हुआ. थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू. आई एम मिसिंग माई को स्टार ऑलवेज. आई एम मिसिंग ऑल माई को स्टार्स, बट उनका 50% डिप्लोमेटिक, मतलब आप उसका कुछ बना देंगे तो मेरा अवार्ड वहाँ से छिन जाएगा. आई हैव साइंड एक्शन फिल्म विद बिजॉय सर. बिजॉय नाम पे है, अभी नाम बाहर नहीं आया, बट इट्स अ हाई ऑक्टेन एक्शन ड्रामा. It's a remake of a blockbuster Mani Ratnam sir's film called Agni Nakshatram. I'm really excited about it और prepping as much as I can. अभी कास्ट पूरी फाइनलाइज नहीं हुई. हाँ, एक रशियन फिल्म का ऑफर है. जी जी जी, मतलब आई वुड लव टू, क्योंकि एट दिस अर्ली स्टेज ऑफ माई करियर अगर इस तरह का मुझे ऑफर आए, इट्स अ बिग थिंग. So I definitely want to, but I also want to be very clear about my love for commercial Bollywood cinema. So I definitely want to do everything. Thank you.
Thank you, Harsh. Enjoy.
A very entertaining event and awards which are well deserved, and a very glamorous, full of fun evening.
Can you talk about music? Any particular song that really touched your heart in this 2016?
Not really.
Nothing exciting enough?
Okay, what touches your heart, you tell me?
I mean, the last one was Tamasha where you sung, but we've been waiting for another one. Why are you singing so much, man? Have you become very choosy about your projects?
Because the song has to suit my voice. It has to be the kind of song I'm comfortable with.
But is this a good trend in like music industry where we don't see legendary singers like you much on silver screen?
If melody comes back, then you'll hear me more. ये कुछ शो हो रहा है, सॉन्ग हो जाए.
Ma'am, no, for the cameras, since it's a
क्या चाहिए, कौन सा गाना?
A song from Tamasha which you really love. You could just other things song.
पल भर ठहर जाओ, दिल ही संभल जाए, कैसे तुम्हें रोका करूं, मेरी तरफ आता हर गम फिसल जाए, आँखों में तुमको भरूं, बिन बोले बातें तुमसे करूं, अगर तुम साथ हो, अगर तुम साथ हो. Thank you.
Hi.
Great performance in film, nominated, I believe. What are your expectations?
Well, I really feel whether you're nominated, not nominated doesn't really matter. The question is that the people of this country have really taken forward to the film, which is Pink. I'm really glad that the impression that that film has had, especially it's gone to the UN. The critics have loved it. The film people associated with the industry have loved it. So I don't think you need any validation for an award. I've just finished Power Play with Excel with Richa Chadda day before yesterday. Let's see how that goes. Yeah, all right, thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
What are your expectations from this award ceremony? You won Best Debut Award at Star Screen as well.
Yeah.
Nervous? What are the
You know, it's just good to be at these functions and be part of award season and be nominated. It feels nice. You know, it doesn't happen too often in your career, so it's a good start, and I'm really looking forward to it.
Right. What are the projects that you have signed up? What are you busy with currently?
Yeah, so I'm shooting Bhavesh Joshi right now, directed by Vikramaditya Motwane, produced by Phantom Films. I'm in talks to do 2 films. One is a biopic, and I can't tell you, I can't talk about it, but you'll know soon. And another one is a slightly darker film. So I'm not sure about both of those films, but I'm really looking forward to them if they happen. But I'm only shooting Bhavesh Joshi right now. We're talking about a film, but I'm not sure if that's happening now. Yeah. No, that's not true. I never opted out of the film, but how's it going? So yeah, it's I didn't opt out of that film. It's just it takes a lot, you know, for you know, your dates have to be in order, and there are a lot of things that go into saying yes or no for a film, and it's a conversation that's going on between the director and the actor, and then an article comes and it's just badly timed, and so I'm not sure about that film. So I can't tell you if I'm doing it. I can't tell you if I'm not doing it for sure. But I'm shooting Bhavesh Joshi, and I'm in talks for a biopic.
So is the biopic again a sports-based one, or is it?
I can't tell you. Sorry, I can't tell you.
But how exciting would it be if it happens for you?
If it happens, it'll keep me busy for over a year, I think.
Physical transformation we can expect.
Yeah, it's very psychological, and the guy is a very interesting guy, you know. So
Someone who is still alive? Or?
yeah, very much so.
Okay. Alright. Also, your father Anil Kapoor has been receiving a lot of admiration on social media for his new haircut.
Yeah.
What do you have to say about that?
Well, I wasn't aware of it. I mean, I saw it on social media, and it's good, right, to keep reinventing, and that's what he's done throughout his career. He's kept doing different things, and it looks great, you know. So, although he's playing a Sardar in his next film, so I don't think the haircut's for that, but it's fun, you know. Thank you. Okay.
Coming in 1 second. Brother. So, okay. जोर से बोलो
अरे सर अवार्ड्स हैं, कितना मायने रखते हैं अवार्ड्स आपके लाइफ में, हाउ सिग्निफिकेंट आर दे?
जिसको अवार्ड मिलता है वो कहता है कि दिस इज़ द बेस्ट अवार्ड, जिसको नहीं मिलता वो कहता है रिग्ड है, लॉबीड है। ये वर्ड मैं ये कहता हूँ कि स्टारडस्ट अवार्ड जो है वो वर्थ अप्रिशिएटिंग है, बिकॉज वो डाइवर्स लोगों को अवार्ड देते हैं, अप्रिशिएट करते हैं, न्यू कमर्स को भी, राइजिंग को भी, स्टार्स को भी, और बहुत सारे अवार्ड स्टारडस्ट में बहुत फैंटास्टिक होते हैं। ख़ास तौर पर सर्च लाइट अवार्ड, ख़ास तौर पर जो अवार्ड न्यू कमर्स को दिए जाते हैं, नए लोगों को दिए जाते हैं, या कुछ ब्रेक थ्रू परफॉर्मेंस को दिया जाता है। अब से 2 साल पहले मुझे स्टारडस्ट बेस्ट एक्टर फॉर फिल्म आई एम कलाम के लिए मिला था, एंड विच आई थॉट वाज एब्सोल्युटली डिजर्विंग। यानी कि मुझे मिला, खुशी हुई, जिन लोगों ने वो फिल्म देखी थी उन्हें खुशी हुई कि अवार्ड एकदम जेन्युइन है। सो आई थिंक यू नो सम ऑफ द अवार्ड्स इन स्टारडस्ट आर ट्रूली वेरी गुड। बाकी तो ज़्यादातर अवार्ड्स में यही होता है कि इट्स अ सेलिब्रेशन ऑफ सिनेमा, कि सब लोग मिलते हैं, पिक्चर को सेलिब्रेट करते हैं। जिनको अवार्ड मिला है उनकी भी कोई ऐसा नहीं हो जाता कि ओ माय गॉड व्हाट अ परफॉर्मेंस यू हैव डन। इट्स लाइक अ friendly formality, you hug them and you wish them, but you know that it's not one of the greatest achievement that they've done. मेरी forthcoming film है film Badman, जिसमें I am playing the lead in the film. Film is produced by Viacom 18 and directed by Shaumik Sen. And एक मेरी और फिल्म आ रही है जिसकी शूटिंग चल रही है, पिक्चर का नाम है बैन होगी तेरी। इसमें राजकुमार राव और श्रुति हासन और मैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच। थैंक यू।
Thank you. I'm wearing Shantanu Nikhil, so very happy to be wearing his clothes.
Looking forward to this award ceremony.
Sorry?
What are you looking forward to at Stardust?
This is my first Stardust Award, so everything, I think the performances and just generally the whole award function.
When is the Mani Ratnam film going to take off?
Unfortunately, I don't know if it's on, not on as yet, because it was supposed to. I don't know. I haven't heard from them myself, so I'm keeping my fingers crossed. I hope it's not. Hopefully, the New Year's will make a happy announcement. So in the next 10 days, hopefully. Nothing officially has been done. I've been meeting a lot of people, so I've actually been reading a lot of news myself. So I just wish that the other people I've met, I've gone and met all the directors, so that news doesn't seem to be making the headlines, but nothing official as yet. Identify with her is something which is very grave, because that's something which the incident that took place is extremely painful. Right after that incident, there was an incident in Bombay that took place where there was a gang rape in Churchgate that took place. So I feel that we need to, as a society, do what we can, and these cases are very unfortunate. Thank you. are going to be proud members of our society and protect all the female members of our society. And unless we build this faith amongst each other, we won't be able to change the situation. So less hate and more love is going to save the situation. Thank you. Thank you so much. New Year, I heard look here. Hi, I'm Sonali Kulkarni, wishing all the viewers a very happy, very fit and very fun-filled 2017. Sorry, क्या?
Well, I'm really looking forward to the performances and yeah, to just get entertained. वो मैं नहीं बता सकती हूँ, वो एक सरप्राइज है, बट जी मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ for the project and yeah. It's releasing on 31st of March and the movie's Naam Shabana. Sorry? क्या? जी ये मैंने सुना. Well, I wish him lots of love, health and happiness. So yeah. बहुत excited. He's super funny. Like you just end up laughing while working with him, and yeah, which is great fun. And really, it's just amazing. Great experience to work with Akshay sir. So yeah. Sorry? Ji? Only that I will just keep my dedication and continue with my routines, irrespective with what comes up. I will be very strict with everyone around me in my life and tell them that no, I'm sorry. This is the schedule of mine, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Yes, Merry Christmas everyone, and I wish you a Happy New Year. Just keep on spreading love and life and be happy. Thank you.
Hi everybody. Hi, good evening. So I'm nominated for the best debut for my film Sara Khadoos, and that's why I'm here. Yeah.
Any special performance you're looking forward to? Mr. Abhishek Bachchan is hosting and Mr. Shah Rukh Khan and lots of
Shah Rukh Khan. Yes.
Give him a chance. Would you like to dance with him?
Hell yes. Yeah. Obviously. Thank you. I'm doing films in Tamil down south and one in Telugu as well, which is the remake of Sala Khadus in Telugu. So that, yeah. Thank you. Bye bye.
Kajol looking really pretty in black.
Thank you. Okay.
Kajol, what are you looking forward to this award ceremony? What is going to keep you really excited?
I don't know really what's going to keep me excited, but I'm hoping to enjoy myself for sure. And yeah, that's it.
You're also marking your return to South cinema with Dhanush and VIP 2. How excited would that be for you? Tell us something more about it.
I'm a little apprehensive, to be honest. But yes, I am very, very excited. I love the fact that I'm going back to Tamil after a very, very long time. But yeah, I'm excited about it.
How do you see Dhanush as an actor?
I think he's a very, very fine actor. I do think he's a very fine actor. I haven't seen Saundarya's work, but I think she looks, I mean, like as though she knows what she's talking about. So, and we get along very well. So things will be good. Yeah. Amazing. In today's day and time, for any film to complete 50 days, I think is a huge, huge, big deal. And I'm really, really happy about Shivai. I expected it, but yes, it feels good. Sorry, I didn't get your question. What was his reaction? Why do you ask him that? But since I'm here, of course he's also very, very excited about it. Of course, the same reaction that I have had is the same reaction that he has had as well. So we're all really, really happy about it. I think anything where the film industry gets a break, where the film industry, where it's a positive sign, etc., is a good thing. So, I'm all for the film industry. Bas, enough. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, everybody.
कैसे हो?
अभी हम लोगों ने तय कर लिया है कि हम जहाँ जाएंगे रेड कारपेट में साथ में ही जाएंगे। हाँ, खास वजह है कि मेरे भाई हैं तो
Kabil is coming up here, loving your villainous avatar. We are also looking forward to seeing you two brothers together. How excited is that going to be for you guys?
See, for me it's extremely exciting because A, I get to work with my brother in this film. B, we are both doing negative roles. C, if you take us both out of the film, there is no film. D, both of us are working with Sanjay Gupta the first time. We both worked with him separately, but this is the first time. Sanjay Gupta is also like a third brother to us. D, it's got Hrithik Roshan in it. That's, exhilarating. It's a film craft film. Rakesh ji, Guddu ji and me go back a very, very long way. So there are, multiple reasons.
But is the clash with Shah Rukh Khan's raise a cause of concern for you personally? Because Rakesh has said that it's very unethical on his part to come and clash with Kabil as well.
Sir, I would not want to comment on who has said and what not has been said on this matter. My personal opinion on this is that it is not necessary that if two films release on the same day, only one has to do well. So, both the films are good, both will do well. And I take this opportunity to wish SRK and Reis all the best.
नहीं, हमारे बीच में वैसा रिश्ता है नहीं. एक्चुअली ये मुझसे बड़े हैं, लेकिन मैं इनको बुली करता हूँ, चाहे वो सेट्स पे हो या घर पे हो.
ये बात सही.
और अब झूठ क्या बोलूँ मैं, लेकिन जब साथ में काम करते हैं तो नाउ आई रिस्पेक्ट हिज स्पेस. अर्लियर आई यूज्ड टू बुली हिम देन ऑल्सो. हम लोगों ने इससे पहले एक शो किया था साथ में सरकार, उसमें मैं इनको बुली करता था. लेकिन अब जब मैं देखता हूँ कि इन्होंने जो एक ऑरा अपने आस पास बनाए रखा है, इनके पास जाने से भी डर लगता है सेट पे. But otherwise, it's been a fun ride. I think Kabil will be very interesting for the audiences for obviously the reasons he listed. But for me personally, it was just great to be working with him and sharing screen space with him. Thank you very much. All the best. Yes, Sumit, you want to ask something? Ask. बेचारे को पूछने दो यार. पूछ. हाँ, है ना? तेरे को तो हमेशा हेलो हेलो बोलते रहते हैं.
अच्छा, मैं वो वरना चिल्लाते रहेंगे वहाँ से. कर लूँ?
नमस्कार नमस्कार। अच्छा लगता है, अवार्ड मिलता है, अच्छा लगता है। और क्या बोलूँ और क्या क्या बोल सकती हूँ। विशेष इच्छा वो भी नहीं मालूम, मैं कभी इच्छा करती नहीं हूँ किसी चीज़ की। भगवान जो देता है उसको हम ले लेते हैं बस। खुद का ऐसा ये नहीं होता कि हमको ये चाहिए, ये करना चाहिए, वो करना चाहिए। जो आता है गाना गाते गए, आज तक गा रहे हैं, 72 साल हो गए गा रही हूँ और गाती रहूँगी। तो मुझे नहीं लगता मैंने कुछ ये मांगा है भगवान से, उसने दिया है मुझे।
प्रियंका चोपड़ा जिनके बारे में आपने कहा था कि आपके जीवन में अगर कोई फिल्म बने तो आज यहाँ पर होंगे,
क्योंकि वो सिंगर है, वो गाना बहुत अच्छा गाती है और वो बहुत अच्छी आर्टिस्ट है और बहुत मिलनसार भी है। मेरे साथ उसकी कोई पहचान नहीं थी, फिर भी मेरा हाथ पकड़ के मुझे अंदर लेके जाना, सीढ़ियाँ चढ़ाना, ऐसा कोई भी काम उसने ऐसे नहीं दिखाया कि वो बड़ी आर्टिस्ट है और मैं कौन हूँ क्या। तो जो स्वभाव का अच्छा होता है वो इंसान अच्छा लगता है।
आशा ताई, आज के ज़माने में जो पुराने सॉन्ग्स हैं उसको रीमेक किया जा रहा है, रिलीज किया जा रहा है न्यू वर्जन में। आपने कोई चंद गाने सुने तो आपका विचार क्या है इसके?
अच्छा है, ज़माना बदल रहा है, जो ज़माना बदलता है उसके साथ चलते जाना चाहिए। झाला विचारू
मैम बस थोड़े पिक्चर्स, फोटोग्राफर्स बहुत गुस्सा कर रहे हैं मुझे कि आपकी पिक्चर्स नहीं लेने दिए।
क्यों, किसने नहीं ली?
मैंने नहीं, मैं आपको यहाँ पे लेके
Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm really happy for Sara Zamana. It has already crossed more than 20 million. That too in a very short span of time, in just 2-3 days. I'm really happy because yesterday I was having an interaction with Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, and he expressed and he told me, I was really happy that he also noticed Sara Zamana, and he is very proud of it. He's very proud of the reprised version of Sara Zamana, and he and Hrithik Roshan really appreciated my work, my talent. I think that's what really matters. Yes, I'm here to promote Sara Zamana and also to present an award, so it's going to be a great evening. So each and every song is so different, and our song is very Western. We have different kinds of dancing in it. We've done whacking, we've done freestyle. We have done a lot of dancing in it, and it's more of a very dancing song, very heavy dancing. So that's why.
Pictures.
Thank you. It's going to be very exciting new year. Work plus a lot of fun with family and friends. Thank you. Come, Rohita. She needs to fix my gown.
कैसे सुनो आपको? बहुत अच्छा मिल रहा है। ये हमारे 2.5 साल का सपना अभी पूरा हो रहा है। 7 अप्रैल को फिल्म रिलीज़ है। पोस्टर आज रिलीज़ किया, कल प्रोमो आउट होगा। अनुराग बासु, प्रीतम, कटरीना और मैंने बहुत मेहनत से फिल्म बनाई है, बहुत प्यार से बनाई है, दिल से बनाई है। एक फैमिली फिल्म है, बच्चों की फिल्म है और यही विश करता हूँ कि लोगों को पसंद आए। आप सबकी मदद चाहिए कि इस फिल्म को आप एक बहुत ही पॉजिटिव तरीके से बाहर प्रेजेंट करें एंड आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इट। Thank you. Well, I honestly don't think I deserve to win this year. There are superior performances. Amit ji hai, Salman Khan hai, Sushant hai. They all have done some wonderful performances this year, and they are more deserving than I am. But I'm performing this year, so I'm very excited. Plus, my father is winning an award, which means a lot to me, for Kapoor and Sons. So I'm really looking forward to that. Yes, sir. Thank you. घर घर होता है as long as you feel home and you feel comfortable and you feel at peace, वही फीलिंग आ रही है। It's just a home. हाँ, मैं अगले महीने शुरू कर रहा हूँ। बहुत ही मुश्किल फिल्म है टू represent संजय दत्त and to work with राजू हिरानी। मुझे तो ऐसा लगता है कि I don't deserve this film, but really looking forward to working on that film. क्या हो गया? लिफ्ट कर दिया, अभी वो काम कर सकते हैं तो अच्छी। मुझे इसके बारे में जानकारी नहीं हासिल, तो अगर मैं इसके बारे में कुछ बोलूँगा तो शायद मिसइंटरप्रेट होगा। मैं इसके बारे में पढ़ के फिर आपको बताऊँगा। आई डोंट थिंक जो कास्ट है वो अभी तक अनाउंस हुई है। कंफर्म, हाँ, तो फिर है। हेलो,
पहले आपको ये बता दें कि हम एक घर में नहीं रहते हैं, हम अलग अलग रहते हैं। तो ये सिर्फ कोइंसिडेंस है, इत्तेफाक है कि हम एक ही वक्त आए और हम आपके सामने हाजिर हैं। ऐसा क्यों? मतलब कि
कंप्लेंट नहीं है। इनसे और खूबसूरत इंसान इस दुनिया में बना ही नहीं है।
Yes, my book is ready. Book should be out on. We are targeting the Chennai Literary Festival. That's on the 16th or 17th of January. So the target is that. I hope we are on target. ये इतना चिल्ला रहे कौन सुनेगा? ये पहले वो चिल्लाना बंद करें. हाँ जी पूछिए. वो जब आएगी तब पूछना ना, आप क्यों पूछ रहे हो? कि अभी वो वक्त नहीं है पूछने का. हाँ जी क्या पूछ रहे थे आप? जोर से बोलिए, मैं कम सुनता हूँ. That has got nothing to do with you at this point of time. You talk of something what is happening now. मुझे नहीं पता अभी तक. जब देखेंगे तब बताऊंगा मैं आपका. तब तक शांत रहिए, बहुत लोग आ रहे हैं यहाँ से. थैंक यू. जय हिंद. बेले अवार्ड अब साहब 44 साल 44 years हो गए यार. क्या इट्स एन इवेंट यू मस्ट गो टू. इट्स एन इवेंट यू मस्ट गो टू. गॉड ब्लेस. अभी तुम लोग बहुत पूछते हैं.
Yes. Hi. देखो ये साल मेरे 5 पिक्चर रिलीज़ हुए, तो अवार्ड में शायद से मिल सकता है मुझे. तो एक्चुअली आई एम हियर टू सी कि कौन जीतेगा ये साल बेस्ट डेब्यू, क्योंकि मेरा फर्स्ट अवार्ड यहाँ मिला था.
Padmavati we are not doing. Padmavati we are not doing. Eros is not. हाँ जी. Yeah. How did you like it? लोगों का रिएक्शन भी बहुत अच्छा है. So अभी ट्रेलर पसंद आया है, जैसे हम उम्मीद करते हैं अगर ट्रेलर बहुत अच्छा है तो उम्मीद ही वैसे ही होती है कि लोगों को पिक्चर भी पसंद आएगी। आज के शाम वही स्टारडस्ट हमेशा इज़ अ वेरी आई डोंट डन मैनी ईयर्स, मैं हमेशा आती हूँ, तो यही है कि इट्स वन ऑफ द बेस्ट अवार्ड सेरेमनी, सो दैट्स व्हाई वी ऑल आर हियर। yeah, maybe not this project. We're doing other projects with him. The timing we had already committed a lot other, but it's just that this project we've not done. We are doing see, it's always a pleasure working with Sanjay sir, but sometimes it's opportunities. Let him work with others also, and I'm sure we'll work the other projects together. Yeah, thank you.
Hello. I think एक तो ये रात बहुत ही स्टार स्टार्टेड है. I just saw few of my favorites hosting the show, like Ritesh, Abhishek, Farah. They're people I really look up to. Farah and Ritesh, of course, I have worked with, so I know them. They're just fabulous on stage. And I saw Sushant's performance and amazing. I mean, he's done such a fabulous job on stage. बहुत कम लड़के होते हैं जो stage पे perform करते हैं. I think he performed very well. And well, I'm just hoping that everybody who really deserves wins these awards, because I know for a fact that these award functions actually make actors feel validated, feel good about what they've done all throughout the year. So I think it's a great night, and I really wish all the best to all the nominees, and congratulations to everybody who's won awards tonight. I am super excited for the Queen remake. वो फिल्म मुझे खुद बहुत पसंद आई है, and yeah, I am going to be a part of its remake in the South. So yeah, very excited. Yes, I finished shooting for Bahubali 2. It is definitely going to be bigger and better for you guys. I am sure you won't be disappointed. Sorry? Plans. Well, I normally don't have anything very brilliant planned, but I would want to spend this New Year's with my family, because मैं हमेशा travel करती रहती हूँ. We anyway travel so much thanks to our job. कभी-कभी family के साथ वक्त बिताने का मौका नहीं मिलता. So this year is completely with my family. आप आज इतने डल क्यों हैं? बताइए. आपने तो बहुत अच्छी शर्ट पहनी है. Yes, it's by a amazing international designer called Mr. Langer. So yeah, Mr. Langer, yeah. Right. Well, I think at least अभी awareness है कि एक problem है, बोल के there's a huge awareness. And I think it starts with having awareness. Of course, we really need to educate people a lot more. And it's a long way to go, but शुरुआत तो हुई है. Thank you all. Thank you. Good to see you.